Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to change the payment method on Firestick TV. On your computer or mobile device, go to the Amazon website and log into your Amazon account. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option near the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on your account to access your account settings. In your account settings, find and click on the Payment Options or Payment Methods section. This is where you manage your payment methods. Here, you can edit your existing payment method by clicking on Edit next to it. If you want to add a new payment method, click on Add a new payment method or a similar option. If you are editing an existing payment method, update the necessary information such as the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. If you are adding a new payment method, enter the details for the new card. After entering the payment details, save the changes to update your payment method. Once you have updated your Amazon account payment method, the changes should reflect on your Firestick TV automatically. You don't typically need to update the payment method directly on the Firestick TV device. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.